Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl Melody Baskin. I love to be called Melody as my first name. And my website is cherylmelody.com. And welcome to the message of the day through my book, Peace Dreamer, A Journey of Hope in Bad Times and Good. Available on Amazon and everywhere the books are sold. What I love to do is just turn to any page, nothing planned, and whatever turns up is meant to be our message of the day. So here we go. What you notice in the layout of this book is that any power words, anything I want the reader to really remember and breathe in, is in bold and a shaded part. So let's see what we have here. I wrote this during, see if you can see it. I wrote this in recalling the times that I was bullied as a child. And the fact that I was silent, kept it to myself. The kids who noticed it didn't say anything. They too were silent. And it could have destroyed me completely. But there was an inner voice within me that would say this: keep faith in the goodness of people, the wisdom whisper said. Don't lose hope. Set an example. Be a role model. Find a way to show how to be love, shine love, and stand for love. And when you grow up, choose work that will make a difference in the consciousness of others. So that's our message of the day. No matter what happens to you, believe in the goodness of yourself and of people. Stay optimistic. Stay idealistic. And continue to hold that dream for a better world in your own heart and by the words that you choose to say, the thoughts you think. And that's it. That's our message of the day. Bye for now.